To say that US President Donald Trump's policies and ideologies are quite polarizing would be a gross understatement. हाल ही में उन्होंने एक नई पॉलिसी अनाउंस की जिसकी कोई तारीफ नहीं कर रहा है और शुड वी से कि कोई टैरिफ नहीं कर रहा है. On Monday, Donald Trump took to his Truth Social account and wrote that other countries had been stealing America's movie-making business for quite some time now. Which is why he'll now be imposing 100% tariff on all movies that are made outside of the United States of America. The news soon spread like wildfire, with many netizens expressing concern over this new development. But the bigger question remains, what does this new tariff policy mean for Indian movies? As of now, the Indian diaspora is a huge contributor to the American movie market, and according to the Producers Guild of India, this diaspora spends around $100 million a year to watch movies in Indian languages. ऐसे में अगर इस टैरिफ से टिकट प्राइसेस बढ़ते हैं तो इससे इंडियन मूवी इंडस्ट्री से ज्यादा नुकसान यूएस के सिनेमा ओनर्स को है. Reason being that US only contributes to 5 to 7% of total box office revenue for Indian films. On the other hand, with the prominence of OTT platforms, Hollywood is already struggling, and so are the theatre owners. Let's also not forget that other countries, including India too, might impose a similar tariff on American films, thus reducing the market for Hollywood even more. इस टैरिफ में भी कई डिटेल्स क्लियर नहीं है, जैसे कि will the tariff be applicable only on theatrical releases or on OTT movies as well? How will it be calculated, and what exactly constitutes as a foreign studio? This same confusion was shared by Bollywood director Kabir Khan as well. In an interview with NDTV, Kabir said that he had no idea how this tariff will be applied because most American films are shot outside of USA. He also wondered whether this tariff will affect the ticket prices or not, before hilariously concluding that Trump himself might not remember this decision of his. अब ट्रंप को याद रहे ना रहे, मगर बॉलीवुड थोड़ा सा सावधान और सतर्क दोनों हो गया है. Reason being that recent releases such as Bahubali 2, Kalki 2898 AD, Jawan, Pathaan and Animal have all performed well at the US box office, earning anywhere between $15 to $19 million each. What is your take on Trump's decision? Do you think it's justified? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and make sure to subscribe to Shosha for more.